here celebrating Christmas at Redwood National Park in California. That's right, very far from home. I got this hat on, you know, because I'm festive like that, you know. But yeah. Now with this morning, you know, Google got me driving up the mountain, you know, and get to see all that view and stuff, which is cool. And I was supposed to be heading to Redwood National Park, I guess. I don't know. I put in Redwood National Park in the GPS, and wherever it was trying to take me, but it ended up trying to take me through a path where you need a permit to access, and it was locked. And if you have a permit, you'll have a code on it. Apparently, that's what the sign said. And so yeah, I wasn't able to go through, so I had to come all the way back down the mountain. And now I'm here at the information center, which opened at 9 and it's 8 right now, so it's not even open yet. I like to go places super early so that I can avoid the crowd. It's a good thing. It's a good trait to have. But yeah, it's beautiful here. I'm gonna do some more scenic shots, exploration. I have till about, I wanna say 10:30 or 11 to explore all I can of Redwood National Park and the surrounding areas. And then after that, I am heading to San Francisco, baby. That's right. It should be very, very cool. Oh, I'm falling. I get to see my favorite bridge of all time, the Golden Gate Bridge. Oh, it's gonna be some beautiful pictures. Can't wait. Let's get that scenic view going. Look at these legendary, gigantic Californian trees. They are massive trees. Wow. Whoa. About 3 hours away from San Francisco. No rush, be there soon enough. Just enjoying nature. Woo-wee. Oh, the oxygen. The air is so clean smelling and rich here. Nature. It's beautiful. This is what I'm talking about. Look at this. Right next to the water. Just, oh, there's my car. There's my car. Oh man, I love it. Beautiful. Look at that. That is some very, very murky, muddy, turned up water. And you got the bridge over there looking all fantastic. I'm gonna take some pictures. Awesome. And it's amazing. all these years, this is like one of the, you know, the major place that I wanted to come to because it just looks so crazy cool, you know, in all the pictures that you see. This bridge and the city, it just looks awesome. And I cannot wait. Oh shit, there's a toll. Uh-oh, I ain't got no money. Damn, toll, huh? How much is this toll? Alright, so whatever National Rec area, Golden Gate National Rec area, I'm gonna go there, and hopefully they have a ATM or something, or a, you know, snack bar or gift shop that I can get money back, cause I don't have any cash. I suspected there was gonna be a toll because I remember seeing pictures of the bridge with like little toll booth, but that was like, but then I was like, I don't know, it might just be my imagination, but obviously I was right. I think it's $8, $7 or $8. Just gonna pull out 20 because I'm pretty sure most ATM will give 20s anyway. They don't give anything smaller than that. But yeah, I'm gonna do that. The bridge is right there. It's looking spectacular. I gotta hurry this up too. It's about 4 o'clock right now. The sun is gonna go down in about an hour, and it's gonna look spectacular. You know, with the sunset behind it and everything. Oh, it's gonna look so good. I can't wait. Oh, the pictures will be incredible. Too bad there's like no clouds though. No clouds at all. It's crystal clear sky. That's actually not a good thing. I wish there was a few clouds here and there to add texture to the sky, give it character, give it some more color too, because when the clouds, you know, get some sunset on them, they look real nice. But I'll work with what I got. Maybe I'll Photoshop some clouds in there. Oh, I'm excited, but also tired. Ah. It's a nice little town down here. I'm right by the bay, but I gotta get to the bridge. That's my main priority. I'm gonna go over. I want to go over to the San Francisco side and get some pictures before the sun is completely down. It's actually about good time to get some pics now, but friggin' didn't know that there was gonna be this much traffic and toll. Yeah, got the money now. I had to go to a Bank of America ATM, pulled out $40 just in case I gotta keep going back and forth on the bridge or something like that. I'm ready. Hopefully I get on the bridge and on the other side. It is 4:36 right now. Hopefully I'll be on the other side by 5. That would be great. Great. Let's do that. Let's make that happen. Holy hell, I forgot this place is like a hill city. Everybody lives on like a damn vertical hill. Oh my goodness. It's a bit crazy. Oh my goodness. I cannot imagine somebody driving a stick here. Cars gonna be rolling back all the time. Even driving auto, car feel like you're gonna roll all the way back. you got. Oh my goodness! Look how steep this shit is. Oh my god, you guys can't even tell, but shit is steep. All right. Yes. Look at the city in the background too. Oh, beautiful. Beautiful. Oh my god. Yes. I've never been so excited to cross a bridge. Dang, this bridge looks awesome. videos and stuff for about hour and a half ish now. What is it? Not sure where to go next, honestly. That's the hard part. I'm trying to decide whether I should actually go into San Francisco and, you know, maybe explore around, maybe even stay the night possibly, and have more time with the city tomorrow daytime, or just maybe go find a couple more spot nighttime to do some more pictures, and then head out to Yosemite National Park so that I can explore that in the morning. I don't know. See, that's the thing. Oh, and if you have Sprint out here, they not doing their job. 3G, come on now. Like, you know nothing gonna load 3G. Takes like 10 freaking years. But yeah, here's the actual San Francisco map. I don't know. I think I'm just gonna head in, but probably won't stay the night. Alright, let's head in. Whoa, what is this place? Looks fancy. What is this place, yo? This place is awesome. It's called like something, the Hall of the Palace of Fine Art or something. I don't know, but look at that. Wow, that is cool. And then next to the water too. Oh my god, this light, this floodlight. Wow, that is awesome. I could take some awesome couple pictures, wedding pictures here.